Welcome to a world of beauty and grace, where the wonders of nature unfold. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey into the heart of the Jayamangali Blackbuck Sanctuary, a paradise on earth for photography enthusiasts like me. Hi, I am your Praveen Kumar and I have devoted my life to capturing the raw beauty of wildlife. Now, I invite you to join me on this thrilling expedition as we unveil the secrets and stories of the mesmerizing black bugs that call this sanctuary their home. The Jayamangali Blackbuck Sanctuary, nestled in the heart of Karnataka, India, spans over 798 acres of pristine grassland and dense woodlands. Its vast expanse serves as a sanctuary for graceful and endangered blackbucks, a captivating species. Stepping a foot into this sanctuary feels like entering a different world altogether. As the morning sun arises, casting a golden glow upon the grasslands, a symphony of sights and sounds enchant the senses. The gentle rustling of the grass, the sweet chirping of birds, and the magnificent sight of blackbucks leaping majestically through the air. It's a photographer's dream come true. The key to capturing the blackbuck's essence lies in patience, persistence, and understanding their behavior. This sanctuary offers unique opportunities to explore different angles and compositions, make it paradise for photographers. The Jayamangali Blackbuck Sanctuary is not just a place to capture stunning photographs. It's an experience that enriches the soul, reminding us of the importance of conserving our natural treasures. The grasslands where I captured blackbucks is before the actual sanctuary. This is the entry gate for the sanctuary, and there is no restriction of any kind here to enter the premises. But be humble to the nature. Also, requesting all the visitors and nature enthusiasts, please do not use plastics inside the sanctuary and spoil the natural habitat. As I move further deep inside the sanctuary, I have found this place of watchtowers and rest shelters where we can take a rest for a while after long morning in capturing blackbucks and continue our journey to find some more birds. are as fascinated by nature's wonders as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join me on my next adventure. Together, let's continue exploring the world through the lens and celebrate the beauty of Jayamangali Black Buck Sanctuary. Until then, keep exploring and keep photographing.